Hey friends, and in this video I'm gonna show y'all what y'all gotta do with your onions if y'all grow them like I do, from seeds, to get a big ol' harvest in just one season. So here is what you have to do. When your onion has grown long enough, somewhere around 10 to 15 centimeters, and has started spreading on the ground. Furthermore, as you can see, if it already has not only seedling leaves, here it is, which came out of the seed, and also appeared such thin little true leaves, then it is the appropriate time to carry out the first trimming of the onion plant. Because if you leave the onion like that, its leaves will grow long and they will spread on top of each other. All the seedlings will fall on the ground, get sick and die. Or it will grow like crap and you won't get a decent harvest. It's a piece of cake. We take regular scissors or garden ones. Then we gather the onion leaves together and then cut them at a height of about 5 centimeters above the ground. Don't worry, you won't harm the seedlings this way. On the contrary, it stimulates the growth of new leaves. The seedlings will become thicker and wider, and on every plant onion will appear additional leaves. Initially, we trim all the leaves that are sticking straight up, and then we proceed to the leaves that have fallen on the ground. We elevate it using our finger and also trim it by 5 centimeters from the ground, and subsequently this is the appearance of your trimmed onion seedlings. You can still do 1 or maybe 2 more trimmings before planting seedlings in open ground. It all depends on how fast the onion will grow, and believe me, she'll start growing real fast. Well, then we'll be planting it in the open ground and I'll show you how to do it correctly. Also, after trimming the onions, be sure to give them a good watering to make up for the lost moisture. Make sure to do this if you want to get a big onion harvest at the end of the season. I wish you strong seedlings and a good day. Let's catch up in the new videos.